up, babes? Welcome back. Rosie here, and today I'm going to be showing you a eye look with using the AdelaineMorinXTarte eyeshadow palette. It's my favorite thing and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Adeline is the best and the cutest and she's amazing. And I am just so excited. I had to wait like 2 to 3 weeks to get this palette and it is so beautiful and it smells so good. What eyeshadow palette smells good besides Too Faced's chocolate palette? This smells like vanilla. Like, this smells so good. But I've only used it 3 times now because, well, reasons. But I use the highlight color every day and it is just absolutely beautiful and it's amazing. I can't get over it. I'm obsessed with it. Like, every time I use it, I'm obsessed with it, and the colors just make me freak out every time I use it. But anyways, so I'm gonna show you how to do this eye look using the palette. And I filmed the tutorial version of this video earlier in the day when I was first getting ready, and now it is 11:30 at night, and I went throughout the day and a whole bunch of rain because it was raining where I am. So my makeup probably got messed up, so it probably doesn't look as good right now than it did in the video. In the tutorial version of the video, especially the highlight. You can barely tell the highlight right now, but yeah. But if you want to know how to do this look using the AdelaineMorinXTarte palette, then let's get on with the video and keep watching. Okay, starting with the Open Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and just priming the eyes. And taking the AdelaineMorinXTarte eyeshadow palette, eye and cheek palette, actually. That's my favorite thing. Oh. Brush on the loose. Brush on the loose. Ah! Okay. Going in with the flat brush and taking the shade Mama Morin and putting it in the top crease as a transition shade. And then going in with the shade Contour and putting that under Mama Morin. I'm trying to take it out a little bit so it's a little far because eyeshadow is going to act as our wing liner and I'm not going to be using eyeliner on top. Then taking a small brush and a pot concealer, just gonna clean up. And taking this small blending brush and going in with the shade Boss Lady and putting it on the outer and inner corner, but not in the middle. I'm taking the flat shadow brush and going in with the shade Law of Attraction, which is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this shade. And taking it in the middle corner. Middle of the lid, I meant. It's the corner. I am obsessed with all of these colors in this palette. Law of Attraction is so beautiful. I'm taking the round small shadow brush and going in with the shade Girl Supporting Girls, which is the best yellow I have ever seen in any palette, ever. And taking in the inner corner. This part's optional, but if you want to take a small angled brush and go in with the shade Bebop and just slightly line the top line to act as an eyeliner. And I'm done with the eyeshadow, but keep the palette aside because we're not done with the palette. Going in with the same concealer, the NYX Full Coverage Concealer, with a beauty blender. And then just concealing the under eyes. And I'm also just cleaning up the eyes, the eyeshadow to make it a little more sharp and winged.
Into the memories of 500,000 former Ohio State students who discovered futures they never expected. And then you'll find a path that leads to the very best version of yourself. Discover Ohio State Mansfield.
Beauty blender and NYX Wonder Stick contour. I'm going to contour my nose.
Do you know what no one ever talks about?
The benefits of Spotify Premium?
It's true.
Premium free for 30 days.
Blend.
Tap the banner to learn more.
Oh. This is like a, yeah, this is brown. I'm going to go in with the Mink Ulta dual ended eyeliner and just line my underlines. And then I'm going to attempt, and if you like, optional, go in with the Starry Night end, so it's like a blue, if you don't have this eyeliner exactly, and then just go line, underline it again to make cool and warm tones, and it matches my dress. We can work with it. It's okay. We're gonna go in with the Maybelline The Falsies Push-Up Angel mascara. I just sneeze. No, I'm good. Okay. And do the bottom lashes. I might have had a sneeze. Okay. There. Okay, the Urban Decay Per Vision mascara on the top lashes. Oh, I can't open it. Okay. Told you we weren't done. Going back with the angled blush brush and going in with, back with the palette in the shade I Feel Beautiful blush shade, and just my personal preference, blush is too dark or too much for me, so I blend it out with the Beauty Blender. I am running late. Okay, fan brush. Going in with the fan brush in the shade Promise Ring. It is a beautiful bright blending highlighter. Obsessed. And then I'm going to do cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and the tip of my nose. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that? That is so... Oh my gosh. And personally, I take my middle finger and do the tip of my nose. And then taking the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. You can use any lip gloss, lipstick, whatever preference you'd like to use. I don't have that with me. It's like 5 feet away from me hidden. My lipstick is everywhere. But yeah. All done. I just dropped my baby. Okay, but that was the look, the tutorial on how to do this look using this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below anything you'd like more videos to watch. And follow my social medias, Instagram and Twitter. My Instagram, I have 2 Instagrams. Follow my personal channel at RosieLove816 and RosiesGlam16 for my beauty account, and Twitter is RosieLove816 as well. I will put those in the description bar below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Thanks so much for watching.